Hi everyone, today I'm showing you where to find the compose button in both Gmail and Hotmail, also known as Outlook, so you can send your first email in seconds. First, let's start with Gmail. Once you log in at gmail.com, you land on your inbox. Look at the top left hand corner and there's a big button that says Compose. Click it and a small window pops up. You can now type the email address, subject and your message here. Then click Send. I'll explain that one in some other videos to know what this means. Now over to Hotmail, or what's now called Outlook, Outlook.com. After you sign in, look at the top left hand button again, and you see a button that says New Mail. Click that, and your message window appears on the right hand side. Just like email, type your recipient, subject, and message, and then click Send. Subject, yes, then right, and then we'll click on Send. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find the Compose button on both Gmail and Hotmail. Hit like if this helped, and check out my next video for attaching files to your emails.